Good morning friends. In this video I am going to tell some basic rules of the chess. So let's start. First of all, before setting the board, you always notice that the light square must be on the right hand side of you. Either you are a black player or you are a white player. Then you know that there are some alphabets written on the bottom side of the board. Here is A, here is B, here is C, here is D, here is E, here is F, here is G, and here is H. And some digits are written on the left side of the board like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Corresponding to this alphabet A, this vertical column is called A file. Corresponding to alphabet B, this vertical column is called B file. Corresponding to alphabet C, this third column is called C file. This is called D file. Similarly, this is called E file. This is called F file. This is called G file, and this is called H file. Corresponding to each number on the left hand side of the board, for example, this row is called first row, this is called second row, this is called third row, this is called fourth row, this is called fifth row, this is called sixth row, this is called seventh row, this is called eighth row. These rows are also known as rank. Rank is most standard term for these rows. So this is first rank, this is second rank, this is third rank, then fourth, fifth, and similarly so on. Now we learn how to give a particular notation to a particular square. For example, consider this square here. So for naming this square, we will see that it is lying on the C file. Also we note that it is lying on the fourth rank. So this square will be named as C, and here is 4. So let us name the square where black king is lying. So black king is lying on E file and 8th rank. So black king is lying on the E8 square. Let's name the square where white king is lying. So white king is lying on E file, and note here it is on the first rank. So white king is lying on the E1 square. So now let us learn how to set up a chessboard. While setting up the chessboard, first we know the name of each piece. So this small pieces on the second rank are called as a pawn, P-A-W-N, pawn. Then these pieces at the corner are known as rooks. Then these are knights, then bishops. Note that white queen will always lie on the white square. Similarly for the black queen will lie on the black square, and all other pieces will be set up same as the white. In the next video guys, we will learn how to move these pieces. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.